Cauliflower fry. Pour boiling water on cauliflower. Cover with a lid for few minutes. After 20 minutes you can see this cauliflower was nicely cooked. Take out this into a strainer. Take 2 spoons of oil in a pan. Red chilli, mustard, cumin, curry leaf, little turmeric. Fry for a second. Now add all cauliflower pieces into pan. Gently mix. Add salt. Stir gently. Now and then mix until this water count reduces. Take little fried gram into a mixie jar. Grind it. Fried gram powder. After water count reduces, add chili powder depending on your taste. Stir well. Fried gram powder. Now sprinkle this fried gram powder on the cauliflower. Coat well. You can eat this like a salad also. Very tasty cauliflower fry is ready to serve.